back to my channel. So today, pupunta pala ako sa Tanay, Rizal. To be exact, sa isang glamping area sa Tanay, Rizal, which is the Laiban Bamboo Forest. So I will bring you guys with me and let's explore Tanay, Rizal. Guys, so kakarating lang namin dito sa Laiban Bamboo Forest, and I will give you a quick room tour para makita nyo kung gaano siya kaganda. It's so beautiful and look at the view at my back. Diba? Ang ganda. Yeah, it's so pretty. Okay. Welcome! So, I will give you guys a quick room tour. So, pagpasok nyo, ayan, may mga upuan dito. And may salamin here. It's very nice. And, ayan. Dito naman sa part na to, meron siyang swing. Inusog ko lang siya para dito sa, makita siya sa pool. Makita yung pool and yung view na napakaganda. Ayan. And yung pool pala, guys, yung tubig niya medyo malabo kasi galing lang siya sa, fresh water. Hindi siya yung may mga chemicals or something. And here is the dining area. Ayan, nandiyan pa yung gamit namin. And dito naman sa room, it's like this. Turn on natin yung lights. And may ilaw naman sila dito, guys, kasi siya, parang naka-solar. And yan, ganyan yung kanilang room. May lalagyan here. And merong mga hangers. It's very good. Wow, ang cute naman ng doorknob nila. So nice. And here is the, parang counter siya. Kitchen counter. Ayan. And may mga gamit na sila dito, guys. Ayan. Meron silang cooler. So, bili kayo ng ice. And lagayan nyo dyan yung mga gamit nyo. Mga kitchen materials, and may gas din sila for cooking. And what is this? Ito yung CR nila, guys. Oh, very nice. Ito yung CR nila. It's also cute. And may mirror sila dyan. Decoration for myself. Char. And this is the view here. And by the way, guys, ang ganda-ganda ng place na to. So if you wanna relax a little and unwind, go away or escape the city, the busy city, head over here. Binook ko to for 2 people. 2 to 3 pala, it's only 2,500 per night. So basically, check-in is 2 p.m. and then check-out is 12 noon the next day. So it's very sulit. And Yeah, this is in Tanay, Rizal, and malapit to sa Mount Kulis, just sa likod ng Mount Kulis. So it's also far, pero okay lang. And ano pa ba? Basta message nyo lang sila sa Facebook nila. I will link their Facebook down below so you can message them. It's very nice out here. By the way, thank you pala sa deserve.ph for my cake. Mini cake. Ito lang yung cake ko for this year kasi nasa bundok tayo guys. So, it's very nice. Thank you. Get up and mag-swimming ako later, and this is my happy birthday karato ba. Yay!
Good morning guys! It is the next day and pinayagan kami nila ate na kumain dito sa taas kasi kami lang naman yung tao that time.
breakfast here. Ayan. Ganyan yung view niya. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah. Ang gulo ng buko ko. Oh my God.
That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. So thank you again for watching. Have a good day. Bye!